Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to replace an RV vent with RecPro's new solar vent. The tools that we use are an oscillating tool, a screw gun with screw bits, a putty knife, a tape measure, and a pin or marker. And with that being said, let's get straight into it. We want to first start by removing the beauty trim of the vent. Ours is held on by 4 screws, one located in each corner. Once these screws are removed, you can pull the beauty trim straight out. While our vent doesn't have any wires running to it, yours might. Make sure to disconnect them at this time. Now we'll move on to the roof, making sure that we bring all the equipment that we need. We're going to use an oscillating tool to remove the silicone from around our vent. If you do not have one of these, you can always use a scraper or a knife. Please keep in mind, while removing the silicone, to make sure you do not damage the roof in any way. Do keep in mind that this step might take a while, so here's some ducks in the background while we work on this. The names of these ducks are Donald, Nugget, Waddles, Tilly, Luna, and Daisy. Now that we got most of the silicone removed from around the vent, we'll go ahead and remove the screws holding the vent down. Now we can go ahead and pry up the vent, not pulling too hard to make sure we don't damage the roof. Don't use a knife like how we did to cut around the vent. Even if it seems easier, either push on the vent from the inside or use a putty knife to get between the vent and the roofing material to separate the vent from the roofing material. You want to go ahead and put silicone around the opening of your vent. Once all the silicone is put in place, you can go ahead and insert your vent into the rough opening, making sure that the hinge side is facing the front of the RV. With the vent in place, go ahead and secure it with the proper screws, making sure to put one in each of the holes going around the vent. We'll now place silicone over the screw heads and the flange of the solar vent. Don't forget to put some silicone in the holes for the screws and around the rest of the vent. Once we finished up silicone around the vent, we'll go back inside the camper to test fit the beauty trim. Due to our thickness of our roof, we'll have to cut the beauty trim. To do so, you can either measure the thickness of your roof, or for us, we put the new trim over the old trim. Then we marked it and used our oscillating tool for the cuts. Now that the new trim is cut down to size, go ahead and insert it into the solar vent and secure the beauty trim in place with the mounting screws in each of the holes. Go ahead and enjoy your RecPro RV solar vent. Just note that it will take roughly 6 to 8 hours to fully charge out of the box. And as you can see, this was a quick and easy replacement. Just make sure not to damage your roofing when removing your vent. And if you'd like to learn more about the RecPro Solar Vent, make sure to click on the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.